Howdy, welcome back to the channel, folks. Thank you for tuning in. It is another Vlog Cabin, episode 9, I think. Almost hitting the double digits. Very exciting stuff. Thanks for tuning in. We've got an interesting little mixture of things, a nice little cocktail of events and occurrences, and what a fun week. Also, it's raining. April showers are bringing May flowers. Not a whole ton of brothering has been happening in my life this week. I've been working on real life things. I have been doing a ton of job searching and life searching and soul searching here. And I just recently got a job offer. So I'm currently going through the process of that. And it's such an exciting time for me because this is looking to be a really nice little gig. So wish me luck that I don't fuck it up. Anyway, in addition to that, earned myself some stripes last week on our little ride out to wherever the hell we went, Genoa Bar. I got myself a nice little speeding ticket, and they weren't too happy about my bike's registration being almost 10 years out of date, which is understandable. So we're gonna try to legalize the bike. I've been thinking about legalizing it. I've been wanting to legalize it for a while, and it's time. It's not quite 420. We're 10 days away from 420, but we're gonna legalize it, or try to legalize it early. Anyway. In addition to that, I've been working on some more 3D printing motorcycle parts. We're taking down Big Moto, one 3D print at a time, including these little guys. So these are CV carburetor air filter mount gaskets. So this is what mounts your in between the air filter and your CV carburetor. You generally have a couple little brackets or whatever. So yeah, mine were baked and needed replacement, and I thought, boy, this would be a fun experiment for some 3D printed thermoplastic TPU material gaskets. I've heard people having really good success with these on small engines and kind of like colder applications. So you wouldn't be able to, print your own head gasket, for example, or like primary case gasket or something like that. But certainly in my opinion, the air filter hanging off the side of a carburetor is more of a colder section on the motor, and shouldn't be subjected to the same high temps of the head or the case or any other part of the motor. That being said, I think TPU has it doesn't bend until you hit like 90 something Celsius. And I'm just not sure if the carburetor or the air filter ever gets close to that. It's like 100 and something degrees Fahrenheit. So I think we're okay. Talk shit in the comments. Also, you should just like and subscribe while you're at it. If you're not already, thank you. Okay, so in addition to the gaskets, that's probably the one thing that I'm really like, kind of an experiment between those, the 3D printed air filter and all that shit. In addition to those, I've developed, and it's not really that groundbreaking, but these two little nipples that you can print out rather than buying rubber nipples from the hardware store or whatever. So if you delete your vacuum bullshit off your carburetor, like the Vose switch or whatever other vacuum horseshit there is, you can cover these and your car will run nice and good. And then in addition to that, we will swing the carburetor around to the side view here. If you run a short choke cable, like I do, like a lot of people do on these CV carburetors, oftentimes the rubber boot that is supposed to connect this plastic piece and this choke cable deteriorates. It's also just kind of a bullshit little rubber piece anyway. It doesn't, like mine never really held together very well. And it always made pulling the choke very difficult because, and you can't see it right now, but I'll splice in some footage. But this, without this little piece, this metal guy just was kind of free floating. And when you would pull that choke up, it would have to find, it would kind of struggle to find its way in. Not anymore. So what I've done is kind of made this little donut that snaps on to this plastic piece here, which screws into your carburetor. And then the rubber, or excuse me, the metal, this metal 90 degree is able to slide in and out perfectly. So it locates home very easily. Look at that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So if you're running a stock CV carburetor on your whatever bike, and you want some parts and pieces for it, that's what I've got. That's my offering. All of that stuff is on my printables page or whatever. You can download it for free, print them out for you, your friends, whatever. You can sell them. I don't care. Whatever you want. Go for it. Now, in addition, and I suppose wrapping up this vlog, I am, and this is pretty boring, but I'm stripping off some paint on my carburetor mount, and that's what we're waiting for. We're expecting to get about a foot of snow this week, and so I'm just kind of doing like rainy day maintenance on the bike and things because I know I just can't ride at the moment. So in conclusion, is anyone watching the space banger going around the moon? Anyone out there? Anyone excited about space besides me? Just me and that one kid. We're going to the fucking moon, baby. All right, I'll see you all in the next one.